In this video, we are going to show you how to update QooCam 3's firmware via a memory card. Before upgrading, prepare an exFAT format micro SD card. The following SD cards are recommended. Please make sure your QooCam 3's battery is charged to more than 50%. The update steps are as follows. Download the latest firmware file from Kandao's official website. Put the bin file on the root of the SD card. Insert the SD card into the camera and make sure the camera is turned off. Turn on the camera, it will begin updating automatically. At this time, the camera indicator light will alternately flash blue and green. Once the upgrade is complete, the camera will restart automatically. You can check the firmware version under the About Camera section in the camera settings.